Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, HAL's Stealth HALE program. In a significant boost to India's indigenous defense capability, the IAF and the Ministry of Defense are set to green light the development of a stealthy high altitude long endurance, that is HALE, unmanned aerial vehicle program proposed by HAL. According to informed sources cited, the ambitious project aims to deliver a cutting-edge platform with stealth features designed to meet the IAF's strategic requirements for surveillance and strike missions. The HALE platform, powered by a turbojet engine, is envisioned to operate at high altitude for extended durations, providing enhanced intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. Additionally, the IAF has expressed keen interest in a stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle, that is UCAV variant of the same platform. Next, Center Fuselage Assembly for Tejas Mk1A. In a significant milestone for India's indigenous defense manufacturing, VEM Technologies is set to hand over the center fuselage assembly of the Tejas Mk1A to HAL on May 30th this month. This delivery marks a crucial step in the production of the advanced light combat aircraft, further strengthening the Indian Air Force fleet with homegrown technology. VEM Technologies, a key player in aerospace manufacturing, has successfully produced over almost 1,500 components for the CF assembly of the Tejas Mk1A. Each component has undergone rigorous quality assurance checks, ensuring compliance with the stringent standards required for military aviation. Next, enhancing Akash Missile System with advanced propulsion fuel. Following the resounding success of India's Akash Missile System in neutralizing Pakistani drones and rockets during recent conflicts, the DRDO is now focusing on boosting the system's performance. Sources indicate that DRDO is exploring the use of alternative propulsion fuels to enhance the range and efficiency of the Akash missile system without necessitating modifications to its existing airframe or missile design. The Akash missile, a cornerstone of India's air defense network, has proven its mettle by effectively countering threats such as Pakistan's Hatf-1 and Fateh-2 short-range ballistic missiles alongside unmanned aerial vehicles. Next, CATS Warrior, India's cost-effective solution. In modern warfare, the ability to neutralize advanced enemy air defense system is a critical determinant of battlefield success. As adversaries deploy increasingly sophisticated integrated air defense systems, including long-range surface-to-air missiles and radar networks, the need for platforms that can penetrate these defenses, strike high-value ground assets, and minimize the risk to expensive assets has become paramount. DRDO, in collaboration with HAL, is addressing this challenge through the development of the CATS Warrior, a long wingman drone designed to complement advanced manned platforms like the MKIA. The CATS Warrior is not just a force multiplier, it represents a paradigm shift in how India plans to tackle enemy air defenses in a cost-effective and low-risk manner. Next, construction of 12 advanced Minesweepers for Navy. In a significant move to enhance its maritime security, India has revived a long pending proposal for the indigenous construction of 12 specialized warships designed to detect, track, and destroy underwater mines. These mines, often laid by enemy forces to choke harbors, disrupt ports, and cripple shipping and maritime trade, pose a severe threat to India's naval operations and economic lifelines. According to Defence Ministry sources, the procurement case for these 12 advanced mine countermeasures vessels, in short we say MCMVs, for the Indian Navy, estimated at rupees 44,000 crore, is set to be presented soon before the Defence Acquisition Council, chaired by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, for the grant of acceptance of necessity. Next, Japanese experts gain first access to recovered PL-15E missile data. In a significant development following the recent India-Pakistan aerial clashes, Japanese radar engineers and electronic warfare experts are said to be the first foreign specialists to access detailed information on the Chinese-made PL-15E beyond visual range air-to-air missile recovered by India. According to the sources, the missiles fired by Pakistan Air Force jets during Operation Sindoor were rendered ineffective by India's advanced EW system, leading to the recovery of several near-intact PL-15E units, complete with their guidance system and seekers. Next, boosting Waterjet Power to 3,500 kW for naval and commercial ships. L&T Engineering Systems has solidified its position as a trailblazer in India's defence innovation landscape with the successful sea trials of its indigenously developed 651, somewhere around 885 HP Waterjet propulsion system in April 2025, integrated into the Indian Navy's first interceptor craft. Building on this milestone, L&T is now setting its sight on a more powerful 3,500 kW, somewhere around 4,760 HP horsepower Waterjet propulsion system. The 651 kW Waterjet propulsion system, developed under DRDO Technology Development Fund scheme, boasts over 70% indigenous content and was validated for high-speed operations, maneuverability, and shallow water performance aboard FICS. Next, Indian Air Force strategic dominance over Pakistan Air Force. A recent report by prominent European think tank has underscored the Indian Air Force overwhelming strategic advantage over the Pakistan's Air Force in the context of precision strikes and air-based targeting. The analysis, focusing on the IAF's performance in a recent conflict with Pakistan, highlights the IAF's ability to cripple key PAF air bases in the first wave of a potential war, potentially neutralizing Pakistan's air operations for an extended period. The report emphasizes the IAF's precision cruise missile capabilities, particularly with systems like the BrahMos and Scalp, and points to Pakistan's geographical limitations as a critical vulnerability. Next, procurement of battlefield reconnaissance drones in push towards tech-enabled warfare. In a significant move towards modernizing its battlefield capabilities, the Indian Army has initiated the procurement process for battlefield reconnaissance drone, signaling a continued shift towards leveraging advanced technologies for advanced situational awareness and precision warfare. The procurement aims to equip frontline unit with tactical unmanned aerial vehicles capable of providing real-time surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance data in complex operational environments. This step is aligned with the Army's broader transformation agenda focused on network-centric warfare and battlefield transparency. Next, Carl Gustaf's lethal evolution. The iconic 84 mm Carl Gustaf's rocket launcher, a battlefield staple for decades, has received a game-changing upgrade with the introduction of the Fury, that is FURY, Fury Thermal Imaging based fire control sight. This cutting-edge targeting system elevates the Carl Gustaf to new heights of lethality, enabling day and night operations, automatic target tracking, and a significantly higher first hit probability. With the Fury sight, precision meets power, redefining the capabilities of this versatile weapon system for modern warfare. The Fury sight integrates advanced high-definition thermal imaging with auto-target tracking, providing soldiers with unmatched situational awareness and precision in any operational environment, whether engaging targets in broader daylight, pitch black darkness, or adverse weather conditions. The Fury sights ensure operators can detect, track, and neutralize threats with confidence. Thank you.